2025 is just around the corner. But here's the truth. Most people are unknowingly setting themselves up for financial failure. Are you one of them? If you're 18 to 30, living in the US, dreaming of a wealthy lifestyle, this video is a wake-up call you can't afford to ignore. By the end, you'll know the 5 critical mistakes to dodge and how these lessons could transform your future wealth. Ready to unlock the financial life you've always wanted? Let's dive in. Why financial mistakes matter. Let's face it, money is freedom. It buys time, experiences, and options. Yet, the majority of young adults are caught in a financial hamster wheel. Why? Because they keep repeating the same mistakes. Think about it. What's scarier? Missing out on the latest iPhone or being broke at 50? Let that sink in. Mistake number 1, living for today. Forgetting about tomorrow. Living in the moment sounds cool until your future self sends you a strongly worded email. Overspending on instant gratification, like takeout or trendy gadgets, can drain your wallet. Here's the kicker. $200 a month spent on dining out adds up to $2,400 a year. Imagine investing that instead. What could it grow into in 10 years? But wait, don't Google it yet. Stick around because later, I'll show you how to make your money work for you. Pattern interrupt. Speaking of takeout, does anyone else feel like guacamole has some kind of black market pricing system? Just me? Anyway, mistake number 2, not having a budget. Budgeting isn't boring. It's freedom disguised as a spreadsheet. Without a budget, you're like a ship without a captain, drifting aimlessly toward financial chaos. Pro tip, budgeting doesn't mean deprivation. It means prioritization. Want that vacation to Bali? Great, but maybe skip the $7 lattes for a while. It's about choosing long-term rewards over short-term thrills. And here's where most people get it wrong. They think a budget limits them. In reality, it's a map to your dream lifestyle. So, do you have your map yet? No? Stick around. Mistake number 3, ignoring high-interest debt. This one's like a financial horror movie. Credit card debt grows faster than you think. Imagine paying 20% interest on a $5,000 balance. In just a year, you're losing $1,000 to interest. That's money you could have invested. Cliffhanger. And speaking of investing, wait until you hear the mistake that's robbing people blind without them even noticing. It's coming up next.